Hi, I'm Tim Morris with Cincinnati State Community College. Today we're going to safety wire per the Federal Aviation Administration AC 4313 using double twist method to safety wire some bolts. So let's do some bolts. We're using 32,000 safety wire, starting with the top bolt. I'm feeding the wire straight through, and I'm messing around with the wire a little bit, but I'm going to make this thing straight so I can figure out which direction the bolt needs to pull. The bolt needs to tighten. That's what this arrow is showing. You always tighten the bolt with safety wire. So the top strand is going to need to, you can see how I'm turning my hand, the top strand's got to go up and over the top. That would tend to tighten the bolt. And the bottom strand will go down here and meet it, and this will tighten the bolt. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a straight line with this. That's what this green straight line is trying to tell us. We come out, we do what I call a 180 twist, and then we do a 90-degree twist, but it's kind of at a 45. So here's a picture of the AC 4313, and it's showing exactly what we showed you with the piece of paper. We're pulling and we're twisting, and we're keeping these two wires at a right angle to each other. As long as we pull and twist evenly, this thing will look beautiful. It'll look just like you did it with safety wire pliers. And in fact, a competent technician needs to be able to do this without safety wire pliers. So I'm just pulling and keeping these two wires kind of at a right angle to each other. And this actually gives us a little bit more than 8 turns, 8 twists per inch. So you really need to use a little bit less. The FAA book has shown this for a long time. Now we're going to show you something not to do here. These should always tighten, and here's how people get it wrong. This bolt, the wire, if we take it to the bottom here, the next bolt, it's actually going to loosen it. This bolt, if you were to pull on this, the bottom bolt is safety backwards. So we're going to pull this back out, and we're going to do it the right way. Pull it out. We're going to take it to the far side of the bolt. I need a couple more twists here because it doesn't quite make it to the hole. And I can make these twists tight or loose depending on to make them fit. Okay, we're threading it through the hole. We're going to grab it with the pliers and we're going to pull it through tight. I usually bring my wire, this will tighten it. See, we're tightening, both of these bolts will tighten in this method. I usually bring my wire underneath, bring it straight up. See my straight line? I want this a 180 twist on the first twist. Then I go to my 90-degree angle, keeping even tension on the wire. 6 to 8 twists per inch is what we're doing. Not quite a right angle. That'll twist it a little bit too tight. When we get done, I want to go out about at least 8 or 10 twists, and I'm going to cut it somewhere around, I've got to cut it at least 4 twists, but I usually do it, see, I'm counting the twists. I usually try to go out 8 to 10 twists. Now the last thing we do is we turn the wire back in to itself so that it won't hurt anybody and it won't catch anything. If they taxi in the grass, this wire will pick up grass. So I want to turn it back in. Our references for this are the AC 4313, Chapter 5, or I'm sorry, it's at the end here. I think it's Chapter 7, 7-20, and also in the A&P Technician's General Handbook. That's where you can see how to do it. This is the picture out of the AC 4313, and then the other picture we were showing you was also out of the AC 4313. Acceptance criteria, or here's the requirements. You cannot mark it, nick it, or gouge the safety wire, so it has to be clean. Safety wire pliers can sometimes put nicks in your wires. This is cause for rejection. Also, you can't break the wire by trying to overly tighten it. When you make the what they call the round the world or the loop, or you twist it very, very tight, it work hardens the wire, and this is also cause for rejection.